Hello, my name is Janet Andrea Garcia Vaca. This is my EET. I'm going to start the project. So I am going to listen the question. Please read the writing question carefully. Think about and answer orally within 2 or 3 minutes. Remember that the recording for this activity must strictly complete with the indication provided. We live in a multicultural society. What do you think could be done to help people understand each other? Well, in this moment, we are living a hard moment for the society. The world is in the middle of the start of a worldwide world war. So, in this moment, the communication in the different society are so important. This is a good question because every people have a different way to think about the different topics. And I don't know the sexuality, the believing, the religion, how they see the different things. So it is important to think that every reminding is important, and we have to respect what the other people is thinking and how they see the things, their way to think. We are two different one of other, even in the same family. So it's important to have the patience and the tolerance for respect the thinking about the different things in of the people. Thank you.